हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, तुम्हा सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे माझ्या यूट्यूब चॅनलवरती आणि मी तुमची खुशी मॅम. आज तुम्हाला इयत्ता 6वीतील सायन्समधील फर्स्ट लेसन कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझम या धड्याच्या स्वाध्यायावरील उत्तरे घेऊन आलेली आहे. क्वेश्चन 1. सजेस्ट दी ॲप्रोप्रिएट वर्ड फॉर दी ब्लँक्स. ए. एव्हरी लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझम प्रोड्यूस अनदर लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझम लाईक इटसेल्फ इज कॉल्ड ॲज reproduction. B. Growth and reproduction are the main characteristics of living organism. C. The growth and development of living organism due to food is called nutrition of living organism. D. The body of living organism is made up of cells. Question 2. Birds, fish and animals can move and change their position on their own. Shade leaves as well as vehicles like tractors and bulk log carts can also change their position. What are the important difference between these two types of movements? Answer. Difference between the movements of living things and non-living things. Bird, fish and animals are living things. They can move on their own because they have muscles and use energy from food. Tractors, bulk log carts, leaves and shades cannot move by themselves. They move by themselves. They move only due to external forces such as an engine, animals pulling them, wind or human efforts. Conclusion. Living things move on their own, whereas non-living things change their position only when an external force acts on them. Question 3. Germs of many diseases are extremely microscopic. They are so small that they cannot be seen with the naked eyes. Do such living organisms reproduce? What do you think? Explain how you decided this. Answer. Yes, microscopic living organisms do reproduce. We know this because diseases caused by germs spread from one person to another. If germs could not reproduce, their number would be not increases and disease would not be spread. Under suitable conditions, germs multiply rapidly and increase in numbers. This shows that even though they are too small to be seen with the naked eyes, they are living organisms and reproduce. Question number 4. Explain that animals like rats, cats and dogs show awareness of their surroundings through their behavior. Write down your experiences about it and observation of how they behave in different situations. Answer. Animals like rats, cats and dogs are aware of their surroundings. We can understand this from their behaviors in different situations. My observation, a dog barks when it sees is stronger and wags its tail when it sees its owner. A cat becomes alert when it hears a sound, hides when it feels dangers, and quietly hunts a mouse. A rat quickly runs into its hole when it senses danger or hears a loud noise. These behaviors show that animals can sense changes around them, recognize danger, search for food, and respond according to the situation. This proves that they are aware of their surroundings. Question 5. Make a list of different types of animals' movement along with the animals that move in those ways. Answer. List of different types of animals. Type of movement animals: walking, cow, dog, cat; running, horse, deer, cheetah; crawling, snake, earthworm; hopping, frog, kangaroo; flying, pigeon, eagle, sparrow; swimming, fish, dolphin, whale; climbing, monkey, squirrel. Question 6. Plants respond to stimuli. Write down as many observations and experiences as you can which demonstrate this. Answer. Plants respond to different stimuli such as light, touch, water, and gravity. The following observation and experiences show this. The touch me not mimosa plants folds its leaves when touched. A sunflower turns its flowers towards the sun. The shoot of a plant bends towards light when kept near a window. Roots grow downward into the soil due to gravity and towards water. Climber plants like pea and money plant coil around a support when they touch it. The flowers of some plants open during the day and close at night. During summer, many plants drop when they do not get enough water and become fresh again after watering. Question number 7. Turtles stay in water for a long time. Why do they come to the surface repeatedly and poke their heads out of the water? Fish, however, do not try this. Why? Answer. Turtles are reptiles and breathe with lungs. They cannot breathe underwater, so they come to the surface repeatedly and poke their heads out to take in air. Fish, on the other hand, breathe through gills. Gills dissolve oxygen from the water, so fish do not need to come to the surface to breathe. Therefore, turtles come to the surface for air, whereas fish can breathe underwater using their gills. Question 8. The life cycle of a frog is given below in a jumbled order. Give the correct number in the boxes to put them in the proper sequence. The sequence is first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Question 9. Classify the following into living and non-living groups based on their characteristic. Stone, butterfly, bicycle, book, fish, air, tree, kite, bus. Answer. Living things. Butterfly, fish, tree. Non-living things. Stone, bicycle, book, kite, bus, air. Question 10. Write answers to the following question. A. What are the effects on the animals when there is a drought and there is no food or water available for them? Answer. During a drought, animals do not get enough food and water. As a result, animals become weak and unhealthy due to lack of food. They suffer from thirst and dehydration. Many animals migrate to places where food and water are available. Some animals become sick and many may die. If the drought continues for a long time, the number of animals in that area may decreases. Thus, drought has a harmful effect on animals because it causes a shortage of food and water, making their survival difficult. B. A tiger cub grows. Does it also develop? Explain this statement. Answer. Yes, a tiger cub grows and also develops. As a tiger cub grows, its height, weight, and body size increases. At the same time, it develops by becoming stronger, learning to walk, run, hunt, and protect itself. Its organ and body system also become fully developed. Therefore, growth means an increase in size, while development means improvement in body structure, function, and abilities. A tiger cub undergoes both growth and development. तर इथे आपल्या सर्व प्रश्नांची उत्तरे झालेली आहेत. व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर चॅनलला प्लीज सबस्क्राईब करा, व्हिडिओ लाईक करा, शेअर करा. काय डाऊट असेल तर कमेंट सेक्शनमध्ये नक्की विचारा. भेटूया नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये. थँक्यू फॉर वॉचिंग. बाय.